Hey y'all, it's Danny and I am here with my first outfit reveal series, episode 1. This reveal series is something that I have been thinking about doing for a while now. And it is where I will take old or gently used clothes from Goodwill or my closet and I will revamp it into something that is cute and stylish. These videos are to inspire beginner designers, people who love to go thrifting, or people who just like to simply watch DIY projects here on YouTube. I am on the road to 500 subscribers, you guys. So please support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel, liking this video, and leave a comment down below. Follow me on my personal Instagram page at isdanny_, as well as my business page at distinctive_stitch. If you're wondering how I turned this into this cute two-piece loungewear, then continue on watching my video.
I'm going to get into the materials. We are using scissors, pins, thread, a magic marker. I have a measuring tape, some pants I'm going to use to trace along with a shirt. I forgot to mention elastic, you guys. My design ruler as well as the robe that I got from Goodwill. First, we are going to start with laying the robe out. I'm going to cut the arms off first. I'm going to later use the arms to reattach them once I size it down and whatnot. But yes, you're going to go ahead and begin cutting off the arms. Next, as you can see, I am going around and I am pinning down the sides. I just pretty much was making sure that the pockets were together so that if I cut, I didn't have any lopsided pockets because I made sure they were together. Next, as you can see, I have my pants. I'm coming out 1 inch for seam allowance. For my waist, I came up 2 more inches, as you can see here, and I'm just drawing my line. And then in the crouch area, I came out 1 inch, and I'm using my design ruler here to kind of curve in my waist there. And then, you know, draw that line on that bad boy. You know, draw the line on that crouch area. Again, I came out about 1 inch. And yeah. We are moving on to the top part. I just played around with the shirt to make sure that the pockets are lined up because I really wanted to get the pockets in this outfit, in this loungewear. So yes, I came down, I believe, about 2 inches just so that I could have some hem room to hem the bottom of the top. So again, I am coming out about 1 inch, and I'm only doing 1 inch so that I will have enough room to take in if I need to. It's stretched. This material is stretched, but it's not as stretchy. So that's why I just came out about 1 inch. Now I am tracing out my neck hole. And normally I will measure shoulder to shoulder to make sure I get a nice equal, you know, shoulder balance within the top. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but it's just to make sure that my top is coming from shoulder to shoulder. And then I'm going to grab my styling ruler for the armhole part of it. I'm going to trace out a nice armhole there. And then I'm going to get my scissors and begin cutting. Let's cut. C-U-T. So now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just cutting around the line. What I'm doing for the pants, I'm going to flip the pants over and cut them out again on that nice empty space. As you see there, I just flipped it. And then I'm just going to cut. And then we're going to do the same thing for the arms. If you also notice, I cut the pants on the hem so that I don't have to hem the bottoms. Kind of work smarter and harder. And then we're going to do the same thing for the top. Just remove the shirt off, and then I'm just going to cut around my lines. Now I am going to take one of the front pieces of the top and use it to cut out the back piece of the top. As you can see, I am cutting the back piece on a fold. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and cut around it. Now I am putting my front pieces back together so that I can cut my V. I believe I first came down 9 inches and then went back in probably about 10-11 inches. And that's because I wanted my V to stop where the pocket will begin. Now we're going to go ahead and put the right sides together and then start pinning down the top. So I pinned the shoulder part along with the side of the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and start pinning down the crotch area of my pants. Now it is time to start sewing. I started with the top, I started with the shoulders, and then I sewed down the sides. And then next I went into sewing down the crotch area of the pants. After that, I started sewing down the arms. Next, I went around and hemmed the top. Now I only folded it in one time. I noticed when I folded it in twice, it was a little bulky. Now I am pinning down the armhole, and then this is the part that the pieces that I cut from the robe. I'm gonna take those, pin those down, and then sew everything down from there. Last but not least, we are going to take the elastic and sew it on down, and we are done. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.